David. In MSOM 601, we will not be doing discussion forums. We will be doing video blogs. And so each week you're going to have a video blog where you're going to be talking about and presenting your ideas on specific topics, and then you're going to be responding to two other people's blogs. And the reason that I'm moving to video on these, first of all, most all people I know now know how to take a video of themselves. And I just think it's much more engaging in an online format. So what I wanted to do was to demonstrate for you how you do that and how you can make it very effective. And so you'll see here that in week 1 we have a video blog introduction. And when you open that video blog up, you're going to already see that I have my introduction posted. And so what you have to do on this is you have to create a video, either utilizing your phone or your computer. And most of these will be either a .mov file or a .mp4 file or something like that. But there are ways for you to be able to do this so that it doesn't get too big and too bulky. And so I just wanted to create this to demonstrate for you how you can utilize Blackboard and a system we have embedded in Blackboard called Kaltura Media to help create a library of your videos for yourself. So if you look up here at the top, you see, and this will be the same for most all of you, you'll see something that says My Institution here. So if you click on My Institution, go to the left-hand margin, you'll see something that says My Media. Well, click on that, and that will open up for you Kaltura Media. And you'll see here I have, gosh, over 100 videos in here that I've done for all the classes that I have. But what this gives you the ability to do is to put your video into your own media file so that it can quickly load. If not, sometimes these video files get to be quite cumbersome and it takes a while for them to load. So again, go to My Institution, click on My Media, and now what you will do is you will add new. And so you'll see down here that there is a media upload. If you happen to have, I don't know if any of you have your own YouTube pages, but if you have it loaded into YouTube, you can actually pull it over directly from YouTube here, but I'm not going to demonstrate that. If you're interested in that, give me a call and I'll show you how to do that. But right now, let's just click on Media Upload, and this will give you the opportunity to either go find, so you can just go click on the name of the file, or you can do a drag and drop, and that's what I want to do here. So what I've done in order to keep this down to a reasonable load time, sometimes these, depending on how long it takes for them to load, it may take you 5 minutes or so for it to load into Kaltura. But what I wanted to do is just drag and drop that very brief video. For example, that's a 3-second video I created here. So you'll see that the video is loading. 3-second video doesn't take very long to load. And it will say upload complete. Now, this gives you an opportunity to add a description if you like. It gives you an opportunity to type in your name here as the speaker, and so on and so on. And so you'll see down here under the publishing status, it says private. Media will be visible only to the content owner, or published. Well, you're going to want to publish this, but you have to save it first, okay? So now all of these have been saved. Now you can click Published. And what it's going to ask you to do is, where do you want this published? Or where do you want it to be made available? And so where you want to make this available is in the current class you're going to use it in. Now you're going to see down here I have tons of classes because these are the historical classes that I have taught. You're not going to have as many here. So you need to go down and find the current class that you're in where you would like to have this posted. And so this video will be in Critical Thinking and Problem Solving 2020 Fall 2. So I'm going to click on that, scroll to the bottom, and hit Save. Now this very short video is now available to be seen and to be able to be posted inside of Blackboard, okay? And so if you wanted to look at this, you could hit Go to My Media, and you'll be able to see that 3-second video in there, okay? So that's one piece. Now what we need to do, since you have that loaded, it is now available to be placed into the course. You need to go to the course, all right? So if we go to the course and we go to week 1, you'll go down here to do this week, and you'll see the first thing you have here is a video blog introduction. So if you click on that, you're going to see that I already have my video introduction posted in here, but if you wanted to post your video blog introduction, this could be, let's see, John Doe intro, okay? And then what you need to do is you see this tab down here that says Mashups. So just click on Mashups, and you'll see here the heading Kaltura. Let me go ahead and make this a little bit bigger. So Kaltura Media. So if you click on Kaltura Media, that's going to go to your Kaltura file, and you're going to see this is the video that we just uploaded a couple of seconds ago. So if I click on Select, it will be in there, hit Post Entry, and there is your video. All right? Now, just while I have you, if you want to comment, which you're going to be required to comment on two people's blog post, you just click comment and you type in your comments there, okay? And we have the same thing here if you wanted to. You could do spell check and other things available in there as well, all right? So, I just wanted to give you that, that methodology. It's going to take you a little while to get used to that, so I would encourage you the very first week before you get started to play around a bit with it. If you need to have something deleted that you've put in by mistake, just contact me. I'll make sure I can pull it out. But, you know, for example, I need to delete this video now. But hopefully you're going to find this an engaging way to meet with and to discuss critical thinking concepts with your fellow students. All right? If you have any questions, make sure you reach out. Take care.